So here we are, Thousand Oaks Chili Cook-Off 2024. They're already making me mad. They're parking cars, and then they tell me that I don't get to park. So we'll see how it goes.
Well, the vet didn't get to go. They said they were only letting in star cars and vendors. Mopar.
That's right.
We are in a star car.
Inside. See there? Look at that. That's the roof. I like that kind of rat rod. It's cool.
Ramon did a great job on the interior, guys. Look at the Mopar seat belts. That was actually my touch.
LEDs, or you can see a little bit of it in the
lights.
Yeah.
I got all my junk down there because we're gonna be here for some time.
Just sometime.
We better get somewhere and get out of the...
Chevy, it's clean.
Yeah.
It's not like super spotless. It's like, I don't think that's kit carving. It looks old on the outside, but it's new. Pretty. I had an Alpina, same color as that, but mine was a 72.
We're going in. They have very specific rules for entering this car show.
It's smart though, you know, it keeps things orderly. People don't get smashed into. If somebody scratches my car, I'll kill them. I guess that's why they got the park here. Park down by Blue.
So here's our little setup. We've already gotten in and secured our 2 spots. That one and that one. It's just right up against this wall. We prefer it that way. That gives us extra space on this side. We got some friends coming. He is getting ready to clean.
First I gotta set up.
Yeah, he supports my shenanigans on YouTube, so I try to support his where I can for our shows, because he is a car fanatic. This dude works on cars for a living, comes home, watch car shows and auctions, car repair, and then on weekends he goes to car shows. He's got cars on the brain. This is our prize that is going to be in the show today. Can you tell us a little bit about your car, sir?
Sure. 1970 Plymouth Satellite wagon. Originally a big block car, now a small block car. Many body modifications, custom interior, and the list goes on.
Very nice. There's a lot of nice cars here today.
Yeah, there are.
So just chilling. Got my spot set up. The rest is on him. He's got to wipe it down. He likes to wait until he gets to where he's going and then do that so that he's not doing it twice. And I'm just gonna sit here and watch him wipe her down. It's filling up fast, guys. There's another one coming.
Dog painted like a tiger. Service dog, quite friendly. Loves everybody.
I saw they had this little video thing on Facebook, why animals bite people. That would be a good example.
Right? Some days out. She goes, "This is your dream. You better go out there and work on that thing."
The car show is over. After a car show like this, it's hard to believe they're going to be able to force everybody into electric vehicles. Maybe when they start making classic electric cars, but until then, looks like gas burners are here to stay for a while.
Well, that's it.
Another chili cook-off of 2024.
74 pink Dart Sport, friend of ours.